What's up, outdoor adventurers and aspiring off-roaders? If you're looking to dip your toes into the world of ATVs, or simply want a reliable, capable machine that won't break the bank, you've probably heard of the Polaris Sportsman 570. It's consistently praised as a fantastic entry-level option. But the big question is the Sportsman 570 truly the best value ATV for beginners? Let's jump in and find out. Right off the bat, the Sportsman 570 has that classic utility ATV look, rugged, practical, and ready for work or play. It strikes a perfect balance in size. It's big enough to feel stable and capable on diverse terrain, but not so massive that it intimidates new riders. Polaris has focused on a no-nonsense design here, prioritizing functionality and durability, which is exactly what you want when you're starting out. Underneath that rugged exterior lies the heart of the Sportsman 570, a potent 567 cubic centimeters ProStar engine. This liquid-cooled, single-cylinder, 4-stroke engine delivers a respectable 44 horsepower. Now, while that might not sound like supercar numbers, for an ATV of this size and especially for beginners, it's absolutely perfect. It provides smooth, predictable power delivery with plenty of low-end torque. This means you've got ample grunt for climbing hills, pulling loads, or just confidently cruising over obstacles without feeling overwhelmed. It's powerful enough to be fun, but forgiving enough to learn on. How does it ride? Fantastically. One of the standout features that makes the 570 so beginner-friendly is its incredibly smooth and comfortable ride. It boasts independent rear suspension with up to 9.5 inches of travel, and McPherson strut front suspension with 8.2 inches of travel. This setup soaks up bumps and rough terrain, making your ride much more enjoyable and less fatiguing, especially on longer excursions. It keeps the wheels planted, giving you more control and confidence. Traction and capability are crucial for any ATV, and the Sportsman 570 delivers with Polaris' legendary on-demand all-wheel drive system. This isn't just a gimmick. When the rear wheels start to slip, power automatically sends to all four wheels, giving you incredible grip without you having to push any buttons. As soon as you regain traction, it seamlessly reverts to 2WD. This intelligent system means less fuss for new riders and more focus on the trail ahead. Plus, with 11.5 inches of ground clearance, you can clear most trail obstacles with ease. This isn't just a fun machine, it's a capable workhorse. The Sportsman 570 comes equipped with robust front and rear composite racks, offering a combined 270 pounds, 122 kilograms, of carrying capacity. Perfect for hauling camping gear, tools, or supplies around your property. And if you need to tow, it's rated for an impressive 1,350 pounds, 612 kilograms, thanks to its standard 1.25-inch receiver hitch. That makes it incredibly versatile for chores around the farm, hunting trips, or just bringing extra firewood to the campsite. So let's get back to the best value for beginners question. With the starting MSRP often hovering around $8,000 to $9,000, depending on trim and optional features, the Polaris Sportsman 570 offers an incredible package for the price. You're getting a powerful, comfortable, and highly capable ATV from a reputable brand, packed with features like on-demand AWD and independent suspension that many competitors might only offer on higher-priced models. For a beginner, this translates to an ATV that's easy to learn on, inspires confidence, and has enough performance and utility to grow with your skills. You won't quickly outgrow its capabilities. It's reliable, relatively easy to maintain, and holds its value well. So yes, the Polaris Sportsman 570 definitely makes a very strong case for being the best value ATV for beginners on the market today. It blends power, comfort, capability, and affordability into one fantastic package. What do you think? Is the Sportsman 570 the perfect starting point for off-road adventures? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more ATV and outdoor gear reviews, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the trails.